Hi guys, and welcome to the Venda Chef channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome.
Perfect. Perfect.
Today we're going to be testing out some food hacks that I've seen on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. So I decided I'm going to pick two from the pancake section. This is going to be my first video testing out one of those via TikToks. So I'm going to make another one which might be coming out on Friday, and I'll be testing out the cookies into brownies one. On today's one, I'm going to be testing out the pancake one. So I got two of the recipes, so which I'll be showing here. So the first one is to make the little pancake cereal. I've been seeing that everywhere on TikTok, and so I decided, you know what? Let me do it. Let me see what the fuss is about. And then the second one was one I saw on Instagram a long time ago. I think it might have been 3 years back. And this one was pancake with chocolate in the middle. So I saw this hack a few years back, and then I said, I want to try it out. So on this video, we're going to be trying those ones out. So the video, I'm going to show it at the bottom as well. I'm going to show it somewhere here on me. So that's what we're going to be trying. And as a bonus, I don't know if it was a bonus, it's more of a bonus for me than anything else, but I'm gonna be testing out this gadget on pancakes. I'm gonna do another video when I'm gonna do another one when I'm testing it on muffins, but for now I'm gonna be doing it on pancakes since they said that it is perfect for pancakes and muffins. I just want to try this out. I finally bought one from Game, and I want to try it out and see if it actually does work. So I'm excited. Actually, this is the thing that I'm actually most excited about. But since I was already making a pancake batter, I thought, let's also do the hacks. Why not? Okay, so today we're just gonna be doing some hack videos that I saw on TikTok, Instagram, and then the last bit is going to be me testing out a gadget that I found at a game store that I've seen online being tested so many times, so I decided to try it on my own. In this video, we're doing a pancake batter so that we can test both of our hacks, which both involve pancakes. So here I'm just mixing the pancake batter, which I do have a recipe for, which I will link the video below in the description box. But the measurements, I did write them out on the screen if you actually do want to try it out yourself. But I will link the video of the pancake recipe down below. So here I was just showing you when I was struggling to switch on this gas stove, which I just recently bought as well for the videos. But I couldn't figure out what was wrong, and then I finally figured out that I was not switching on at the right place. So that's what was happening there. But the struggle was real. So here I was starting on those little pancake cereal things, and actually, this was actually fun to make. But to tell you the truth, I'd rather just make a normal pancake. But for trying it out, it was actually not so bad. I did get bored of it at some point because I was like, okay, this is like repeating way too many times. But it was actually not so bad. The only downside of this thing is trying to flip these things on the other side. Like I was using a fork so that I can at least get underneath them, but the struggle, guys. Like even on my second attempt, you'll see it was, I don't know what happened, but it was way harder than the first one. But when I tried it with the dispenser, with the butter dispenser, and I used like a bigger I forgot what it's called, it's not a spatula, but yeah, the little flippy thingy bob. Like when I used that, it actually worked better. But still, like these things, like a normal pancake does not take this long, by the way, like to flip it. And this is hack number 2 that I found on Instagram. I did not use their recipe for the pancakes because I already had my own. But the chocolate that I used was too light and it was too sweet. So if you want to really try this thing, dark chocolate, a little bit bitter because the pancake is already sweet will be better, because if you're also going to add syrup on top of that, that will just be like sugar overload. And also when you're cooking this, it is like the chocolate spills out on the side, most especially like for the second try that I did. Like I tried to make a smaller one, but then it was spilling on the side and I was not sure if it was done on the inside because it was still mushy. So I mean, as I said at the end of this, just make a chocolate syrup thing and it's much better. I think for me, I think it's much better. Yeah, this was what I was actually waiting for. So this one I'm just trying out like the normal traditional way with a squeeze bottle if you wanted control, because those are awesome and you can have control. So this was before I started using the gadget, but this was actually what I was waiting for. When I bought it, I was like, okay, I just want to try it out. I wonder if it's actually gonna work. I've seen it online and I was like, okay, so I want to try it myself. And guys, no regrets with purchasing this. Like control is there, and like it's no mess. Like it's so nice. I like it. Although I get at the same time, you if you don't want to spend like 129 rands on the squeeze bottle, I mean on the gadget, you can just buy a squeeze bottle, which I think I bought mine for about 7 if not 8 rands. So you can get like a bunch of those, or you can get like a bigger one, which I'm sure does not go past 20 bucks, and it does the same thing. So I mean, if you want to save a buck, get a squeeze bottle. If you want to try something that's just amazing, buy this gadget. So yeah. Like I said in the intro of the video, where we're testing out 2 hacks that I'd seen on TikTok and on Instagram. So I did it. I don't know. So I'm not quite sure of the reason as to why people do this or like this, but I did do them, and don't mind the other sizes. I did it with the little dispenser thingy because I wanted to see if it would actually do it for the smaller ones. But the ones that I actually just used the squeeze bottle and stuff, I think this is the smallest one that I did. I'm not gonna test this with syrup because I don't actually like syrup. Most actually the ones that we get here are basically just sugar and flavor and maple flavoring. The ones that I have anyway. So this is I'm gonna insert some pictures as well, of course, after I was done. But this is the pancake cereal, and so let's try it out. So I've seen some people use maple syrup, some butter. Like the video I showed you was using maple syrup and butter. But I've also seen one when they're using milk, so I'm gonna try it out with milk. Don't know why, but I am. Okay. So that's the pancake with the milk, and let's try it out. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. It is pancake, and the pancake batter is nice. By the way, the recipe for the actual pancake batter, I'm gonna link it in the iCards, and I'm also gonna link it down below. Plus, I showed a little bit of how to mix the batter, but I already mixed some few things, and I'll write the recipe, like the ingredient mix on the bottom. But in any case, it's not bad. I just don't know why. I think that's my problem. Why? But anyway, I tried it. For the second hack, I did the chocolate in the middle, of the pancake thing, and this one I saw on Instagram, and this is how it turned out. I will insert some pictures for you to see how it went. Okay, so I'm gonna try it with the top one. So let me also just be honest though. Making this was not as easy as it made it look in the video. It's a lot more messy, but I guess I persevered. Well, I mean, it's not bad. It's good because it's still pancake, and my pancake batter is very nice. It's still, but the problem with it is, for me, maybe I didn't use the right chocolate. I should have used like dark chocolate for a nice color, because the milk chocolate just looks like super white and it's not that great. But also, usually to get the same effect that I got from this, I'll just melt some chocolate with some milk or cream, pour it on top, just like a, what is it called, chocolate syrup, or just just pour the chocolate on top, and it'll do the same thing. So you can do this as the hard way, or you can just pour. Just have to use the microwave, melt with some chocolate, or over the stove, and it'll give you the same effect. On to the last thing that I tested, which was this, and I was very excited about this. That was the whole point of making the pancake mix. It was to also test this thing out, because I wanted to know, like, the pancake mix that I made is a little bit thick, so I wanted to know whether or not it was going to work. Because I had watched this a review of this on this other YouTuber that I like to watch sometimes, when he tests like different gadgets from Wish or any other of those places, and he had tested one of these out. If he tested a Wish product or a product from like an actual company, but I finally tested it, guys. Amazing. It's not messy at all. I think on the video I'm going to show you when I was using a measuring jug to pour in the batter. It's a little bit messy. I mean, well, it's not that messy, but it's a little bit messy. And when it actually carries a lot of batter, I was actually tired. I didn't want to make any more pancakes. And it actually seals, like there's nothing dripping on the bottom. And it only comes out when you open it, hold it at the bottom, you squeeze it, it comes out. You close it, it's closed, and it will not have any spillage or anything like that. And my mix is actually very thick, and it actually worked. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this on my muffins and literally anything else that I make, where I just have to like just I can't wait to do that. Cakes, things of that nature, where I just want to know, I just don't want it to be like spilling everywhere. But guys, I don't regret it. And I think it was 129 rands. It was worth every penny. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.